What'd you say?
What's up, guys?
It's cracking.
Weak. Super weak. I'm all pumped for him to fix his razor.
It's not
fixing it. He's upgrading it.
Yeah.
He's upgrading it. I'm all pumped for him to upgrade it.
Doping.
But I don't think he's totally upgraded until he hits that throttle. Hopefully, Friday. I think Saturday's the event, isn't it?
Yeah.
What time? Like, what time do you want to be down there by?
I got it like 9:30, 10.
Oh, you want to be down there by 9:30, 10?
That's when you gotta be there.
Yeah.
All racers to the field.
Gotcha.
No, I can't. What do you do when you like jam your transmission in a low going 70? You go and jack up the horsepower to 200. Make sure it's working good.
Yeah, next time we gotta be doing 90 or 100. So far, Bud's took off the belt on the clutch and damn near has his grill in. And Zach's nowhere to be found.
That's badass. Yeah, with those mirrors, it'll look super sick.
It's supposed to pop like really
I know.
nasty.
Yeah, they do, so just watch your fingers.
Yeah, that's what I'm fucking scared of. I want a cheater.
Zach's a cheater. Souping up the razor to have more power in the race.
Cheater.
Maybe less at the end of this.
Should I just try with the impact? That's what I'm thinking about doing.
Late as shit.
Yeah, too late.
Super late.
I was still super scared.
Why?
I don't know.
Well, you expecting it to jump out like a monster?
Yeah.
Bunch of butterflies gonna bounce out at your face.
Mark it like all the way down so we put it together the exact same way.
Is your dad home? Passing is sharp.
Alright, perfect.
You tell him.
What are you doing? Yeah, I already marked, bro. What are you doing?
Color code. What are you doing?
Alright, there's a stock spring. Alright, here's the weight. It's gonna be 0, 1, 2, 2.
You have the pieces?
Yep, right there.
Got from the pin? 0, 2.
Yeah.
0, 1, 2, 2.
Mm-hmm.
So does that mean 0 mean none?
Yeah.
Okay. That's how many of them, gotcha. 0, 1.
What holds them in?
Damn.
Magnetic. Carl.
Little rare earth
Fucking
magnets.
What's going on there?
Pin, push it out.
There you go.
So are these heavier or
Bam, bam.
Look at all the extras.
What, those? They're heavier. Yeah, damn, that is a lot of extra.
the weight? The ones you put in and you're taking these out and putting these in.
0, 1, 2, 2. 10 inch pounds of torque.
Mm-hmm.
I would assume it's that one.
You didn't do nothing there.
I'm cleaning. I'm finish doing this first.
Dude, those are like illegal. They kill people.
Shove up your ass.
Where'd Carl go?
Right home.
I've been on camera too much.
Don't do what I do. Do what I say.
Do what I say.
Don't do it as I do, because I'm gonna use
Make sure your clutch was in the same spot.
Yeah. Yep, dead.
Is that a torque setting?
Oh, there definitely is.
So we're gonna do it the correct way and use an impact with the exact digital torque setting on it.
It's a special one nobody knows about.
Yeah.
It links to my phone.
Bluetooth the torque says you're good.
All right, go for it, Billy. You think?
Oh! Oh! That was awesome, dude.
Bring delete kit. He says it makes it shift better. Yeah, does that seem extra like?
What's this change?
It basically just adds a bunch of washers, and so you don't have the snap ring anymore. The washer on the bolt first, then supplied thicker 2AA washers, and finally the factory. Got it. I see what's going on. So what it's basically saying is if it isn't spinning, it's what you want. But like, say you want more low end, just keep adding them till it starts spinning. Then take one off.
So it's already spinning. So it's already ready. Like it's
quicker.
it's
at its limit.
Rev it up a little bit in park. Put it in high gear for a second, and then put it back into park. Are you blow off valving the camera?
Hold on.
You just throw that
Junk, garbage, plastic. Well, the nipple broke off the top.
Yeah, you're gonna have to cut that.
Alright, I got her now. I mean, shit. This thing is not even a year old, and it broke coming off. Turbo Smart.
Yeah, she's tight.
When I broke my hubcap on his tires.
Well, she's all done.
Dude, I'm excited. I haven't even started it yet.
What are you excited for, Zach?
Got Boondocker tuning.
Boondocker tuning, huh?
Steroids.
What does that do?
Gives you the juice to win.
The juice?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the juice.
Needle free?
Maybe.
Maybe. How much juice?
I will see after I drive it. Maybe I might need a needle.
How much juice do they claim?
200 milligrams of juicy juice. No, 200 horsepower. It's gonna be about that with my exhaust and the tune I'm using on here. So let's see what it's like.
So that's the machine putting off 200. It starts with 168, 170 with your exhaust. So you're saying
Like
25, 30 with the
5
clutch.
with your horse, but I mean, we're actually gonna get more out of the exhaust with tuning, because with no tuning and just putting it on, supposedly it doesn't do much. Even though I felt a difference. Maybe I'm just more precise than a tune or a dyno. I'm just excited to like hear it start. The RPMs are running a bit higher.
I mean, that would be kind of a given. Here,
I mean,
wipe
I
that off
figured.
with your sleeve.
Because we did the clutching last night, boost and everything right there.
Oh, nice.
Throttle position, engine temp. Yeah, oh, this is awesome.
Let me get a
dog.
close look on that.
That's awesome. That's gonna be handy. I'm a weirdo. I love staring at all those numbers. Like in my truck, I got EFI Live, and I stare at my tuner all the time. That's what she said. Oh, you got your timing and everything. I'm not good with that, so I don't know what those numbers even mean. That though, I understand all this. I need to get like a piece of Velcro. I want it like right here, dude. These are all your Google numbers.
You got your 3 GPSs.
it hitting the brake?
You driving this thing?
What?
You driving this?
You alright?
Good?
I'm pretty sure his sister put this on its side like a week ago.
Oh,
Just do a good job, okay? Woo! What'd you guys say? Cheeseburgers?
Hey, I didn't use the word cheese.